video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely, lovely, lovely Tuesday. And if you guys are having a taco today, then you gotta let me know which one you're having in the comments. And we have Bitcoin surging above $71,000, currently $71,408. We are up 2% and hitting critical levels and perhaps making our way to all-time highs. And if you guys are ready for the price update, the news, the zest, the education, make sure you smash a like, subscribe to the channel, share the stream out with friends so more people can see what's going on here. We have a goal of 150 likes, 150 live viewers, so please make sure you guys are participating. Also, my friends, we have a goal for subscribers, and you can't forget about the subscribers. Guys, 17,365 is the goal. We got 6 to go. Let's pump it. Pump it up like Bitcoin. I want to say good morning to you as you say good morning to me, and check out our 3 amazing sponsors of the show, which includes Cake Wallet, Market Cipher. Use code ZESTY for 15% off, and then head over to Gemini, where you could trade $100 in crypto, get $15 in Bitcoin, and perhaps head over to Mars sometime soon, right, Ken, with the puffles? Shout out to Gemini. Appreciate them very much. Let's make sure we say good morning to the chat. Say good morning to the chat. All right. We got Silver Days, XRP, A11Y. Altus here. We have All Set, Chris B. We got Mike Volmer. Mike Volmer, what do I got this morning, Mike Volmer? Hold on. This is for Mike Volmer. Shout out to you, my friend. Shout out to you and our donkey adventures. We got Keen Bean. Gary Littlemore is on multiple platforms this morning. Who else we got? We got Joe Harvey. Good morning. Aquarian is here. Oh my gosh. Keen Bean says he's here. Appreciate you, Keen Bean. We got Mr. Wick. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We have Squeaky. We got Sola Hefe. Good morning. Crypto Outcast. Digi made it to the stream today. David B. David Bowles is here. Baby Zombie. Nice to see ya. We got who else in the chat? James, good morning. Poman, good morning. Crypto Cajun is in the chat. Oh boy, Francisco, good morning to you. Bungalow Bill, my friend, where have you been? Where have you been? Nice to see ya. Memory Man, good morning. Good morning. Gary's chilling everywhere. Kev Bounce, good morning. Lasers, good morning. M2. Chase Blanchard. Nice to see everybody. Black Hat is everywhere too. Shout out to Black Hat. Tube and Jar. No J. No J. Shout out to No. He's so awesome. I actually can't look at the chat when he's in there because he makes me laugh too much. Right, Casper? John Connor. Yeet to you, my friends. We got In. Nice to see ya. Welcome. Tony's in the chat. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Crypto Farmers here on TikTok as well. Good morning. Good morning, Crypto Farmer. Good morning. All right, guys, I am ready to talk about Bitcoin. We are pumping, right? Alex Caimana, welcome, 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 guys. Guys, we have so much going on. We have so much going on. All right, guys, please, again, please make sure you smash the like, subscribe, share it out because we have so many things to cover today. Bitcoin is taking off this morning as we take a look at the market recap. Doge is up 13%, almost 14%. We got to take a look at Dogecoin. We're going to talk about that in a minute as well. Floki is also up. Sheeb, Bonk, all the doggy coins. WIF is also up 10% today. Monero also making a move to the upside. Pepe, some nice moves as well. Hex is up 17%. And if you guys have chart requests, you got to make sure you share that with me towards the end of the show. Of course, we're going to be covering those charts today because we have so much going on with Bitcoin price action. Yay. We have Bitcoin, guys, critical level $71,568 at the moment. Again, what was the top of our range? What was that critical level? 71.5. Pump it. Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Guys, this is huge. This is huge. Huge news. Do you think I could get that as a soundbite? Hold on. Let's see if I could get that. That would actually be really funny. It's Huge. Let me see. Maybe I'll get that later. But my friends, Bitcoin is at critical level 71.6 now. Oh my God! No way. Guys, are we about to hit all-time highs on the stream right now? Fill this chat with rocket emojis right this instant, my friends. Get that bullish energy all up in the chat. I need to see rocket emojis everywhere because we're living on the edge, as my dad said in the chat. Guys, give me those rocket emojis. Share your love for Bitcoin in the chat. This is not time to mess around. It's only time to find out. Guys, this is insane price action we're seeing on Bitcoin. 71.5 was the top of our range, your bullish scenario. We are now in price discovery mode. 71.7. I can't even breathe. I can't even breathe, my friends. I can't even breathe. Your bullish scenario. Get out of here, 72.3. We're looking at the real shiz, which is 73.2. That's what we're looking at. It must be conquered, 73.2. And if we could conquer that, then we're looking at our highs, which is around 73.8. And my friends, I will not stop. I will not stop being bullish on Bitcoin because darn it, it's inevitable. And I will scream, I will shout. I will let it all out, my friends, because this is bullish. This is the most bullish thing we've ever seen. We see Bitcoin hitting highs in front of our eyes. And how many people are here for this moment? How many people could say that they were experiencing Bitcoin crossing $70,000 for one of the first times ever? This is not time to mess around, my friends. It's time to find out. Right, Erdem says, hello from Turkey. Nice to see ya. Welcome, my Turkish friend. We are not here to mess around, my friends. We are about to hit all-time highs with Bitcoin. Will we hit $80,000? Will we hit all-time highs today? Put a 1 or a yes emoji in the chat or a 2 and a no emoji. I need to know what you're thinking. I need the general consensus from the people because we're all one collective consciousness. Let's see. Let's see. Your bullish scenario, like I said, is closing the day above $71,000. It is huge. It is psychological, my friends. Even more bullish is that 73.2. That's what we're looking at. We must conquer 73K. If we can hit 73K, boy, oh boy, my friends, we are going bananas. It might be to Valhalla, my friends. And over the past few days, we are up around 7% with Bitcoin. This is just the beginning. This is not a lot of price action, my friends. Get ready for the real price action. I don't know if y'all are ready. Are you ready for the price action? You have to let me know. You have to let me know. Are you really ready for the price action as the marathon is coming to an end a week from today, I believe. Correct. I'm not crazy. I am not Delulu in this moment. We are a week away from the marathon end. And my friends, is this going to get crazy? Is it going to get volatile with emotions, with politics, with all of the major messes in this world? We're going to conquer it all. I'm telling you, we are. This is not time to sit back. This is time to be involved, to do your research, and to understand the revolution that's happening right here with Bitcoin. We had a green dot on market Cipher that let us know this was the beginning of the pump. And it was printed on Sunday. Moving our way up, looking at that beautiful darn momentum. Woo! Aww. How cute is that? Very nice curvature as we requested on this money flow, looking great. The VWAP is absolutely pumped right now. Taking a look at the RSI, look at what we got. Almost overbought. When we are almost overbought, and when we are overbought, I'm telling y'all, that's when it gets tricky, my friends. Why? Because when we hit that overbought level, there is a probability of an incoming downtrend. And if we were to retrace off these levels, am I going to tell you the truth? Yes, and that is that it's going to be okay. Could we just blow a gasket, my friend? Could we just breach that overbought and just keep going. Yes, that is possible. It is possible. I want to see $72,000. I want to see $73,000. I want to see 74, which would be a new high for Bitcoin. We are witnessing the top-notch zest. We are experiencing the most important price action of our lifetime. And am I being dramatic? Absolutely not, because it's the truth. This is a revolution. You will be sitting with your grandbabies, your great-grandbabies one day, and they're going to say, hey, great-grandpy and grandmammy, where were you when Bitcoin was hitting new highs in 2024? You're going to be like, I was watching that chartery. I was hanging out with the Zesty fam. And that's exactly what is happening right now. We are in the midst of history, my friends. We are in the midst of history, and we will experience this history together. I want to see $73,000. I want to see $74,000 Bitcoin. I want $100,000 Bitcoin. Pump it up now. Pump it up. You got to pump it up. This is an extremely bullish day. Like I said, we are at multi-month highs. We have not seen this type of price action since back here in June, even before that in May, and even before that in April. We haven't closed above $70,000 since that point, my friends. Since that point. Last night's close was the highest close we saw since at least June. Since at least April. This is huge news. Multi-month highs, my friends. Multi-month. Don't mess around. Be here. Indulge in the zest. Indulge in the happiness. $71,800 we just hit. Pump it up. I don't know if I could do news today. I don't know if I could do news today because I'm just lost in the sauce. I'm lost in the sauce, my friends. 71.8. Are we going to see $72,000 right here on stream? I sure hope so, my friends. We are seeing a lot of things go on with Bitcoin, especially when Bitcoin starts to pump like this and we near those all-time highs. We see these whales, dormant whale wallets, going back as far as 2012, starting to wake up just like this one. From $8,000 to $53 million, Bitcoin wallet dormant since 2012 woke up. We see here that this dormant wallet address containing 749 Bitcoin worth around $53 million transferred funds for the first time in nearly 12 years on Tuesday morning. Data from Explorer Mempool shows that a send totaling 159.2 Bitcoin, around $11.3 million, was initiated at 7:20 a.m. UTC. That address last sent 10 Bitcoin, approximately $110 at the time on November 10th, 2012, when the 749 Bitcoin balance was worth just $8,000, noted from Whale Alert. We're going to see a lot of whales starting to move their Bitcoin. Does that mean they're selling it? No, it could just mean they're doing some conservation. They're doing some wallet adjustments, because sometimes you want to make sure you don't have your eggs all in one basket. You're going to move that Bitcoin around. We even saw Elon Musk's Tesla do the same, again, as Bitcoin is conquering $71,800. We see here that Bitcoin price surging above $71,000 caused a $175 million in shorts that were completely liquidated. This is why I tell you guys, if you are using leverage, if you guys are trading, be careful, because these are the times where things get the most spicy. Bitcoin jumping above $71,000 in Asian market hours led to a wider market move nearly a week ahead of the marathon conclusion that traders largely consider a bullish catalyst for the market, regardless of who wins the marathon. Bitcoin added 5% in the past 24 hours, breaking out of that key 70K resistance with $48 billion in trading volume, or nearly double the volumes from Monday. The move led to over $143 million in shorts or bet against higher prices to be liquidated in the past 12 hours, which may have contributed to a price spike higher as traders closed those losing bets. Bitcoin shorts lost $73 million, followed by a $39 million on ETH shorts. According to QCP Capital co-founder, quote, we see some shorts against the 70K getting liquidated as the market seems to be pricing in increasing certainty of a Donnie T victory. Is a Donnie T victory bullish for Bitcoin? Put a 1 or a yes emoji or 2 or a no emoji. How do you feel? Is Donnie T bullish for Bitcoin? Let me know in the chat. I would like to see. I would like to see. Oh boy. Bitcoin is $71,900, 934, 920, 940. Oh, guys, we're about to hit $72,000 on stream. Where is the minute chart? Where is the minute chart? See, you guys know when I go to the minute chart, that's when stuff gets real. That's when everything gets very real, my friends. We are about to hit $72,000, hopefully on stream. Hopefully I'm not jinxing it. But my friends, you see the volume, the bulls and the bears are battling it out right now. $71,934. My heart is going to explode. I'm emotional. I'm darn near emotional. This is insane. Is this a bull trap? Is this only for the bears to conquer us and take us all out? I don't know, my friends. 950. Ooh! $71,960, guys. We are pumping. Piano Maddie B says, let's go all-time high on the stream. Well, darn it, why don't you?
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
Let's go. 969. 71,969. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, we have a green dot printing on the minute chart. Money flow is surging. And the VWAP doesn't seem too bullish, but maybe we'll curve back the other way. Let's look at the RSI here. Are we retracing ever so slightly? We're overbought on the minute. Uh-oh, my friends. We were overbought on the minute. That's not too bullish, but it seems like it's taking it back. What's going on, Bitcoin? What's going on? We're overbought at the moment, which could mean an incoming downtrend, but we'll see. We will see. Bitcoin might ignore it all because sometimes even no matter what any indicator says, Bitcoin just pops. We are making huge moves, my friends. Huge moves. Seems like on the minute we're retracing ever so slightly. Come on, Bitcoin. Battle it out. Battle it out. She tased us. Bitcoin tased us. Although there is a university, my friends, that is joining the Bitcoin ETF rush, reporting $16 million in holding with the Grayscale vehicle. Guys, take a look. This is Emory University. Seeing here that this Atlanta-based university is added to the list of institutional investors taking a shine to Bitcoin, which really, it's not really Bitcoin, it's the Bitcoin ETF. The university disclosed ownership of more than $15 million worth of shares. Sorry, I was looking at Bitcoin price. Of the Grayscale Bitcoin Mini Trust, according to a Friday filing with the SEC. According to a top ETF analyst, the announcement marks the first endowment to publicly report exposure to Bitcoin ETF, not real Bitcoin. Emory also reported holding 4,312 shares of Coinbase, valued at around $922,000 as of press time. The university's total assets stood at $21 billion as of August of 2023. Whoa. This is the first of many, my friends. This is the first of many because we even have pension funds like in Wisconsin that were reporting holdings of Bitcoin ETFs as well. Oh boy. Institutions are jumping in. Institutions are jumping in. And they're not going to stop. And they're not going to stop. Watch out, my friends, because once Bitcoin breaches $80,000, $90,000 and nears that $100,000 mark, the whole world is going to go bananas. Just remember this day together, my friends. Remember this day together where we are waiting for all of the FOMO to kick in. We are here during the highs, during the lows, and the in-betweens. A lot of people were not here. A lot of people are not here yet. Most of the world is not here yet. And are we going to fault them for that? Absolutely not, because they just don't know. They just don't know. And that's okay. We're here to educate them. We're here to welcome them in this space and let them know that they are safe with us, that we will expose them to the truth, to the education, to the knowledge they need to be part of a digital revolution. Oh, building greatness. I've been here since 2020. Don't even mess around, my friend. I've been going live for over 460 shows daily. Guys, this is episode, 465? This is episode 400. Yep, episode 465 of the Daily Zest. And it's all because of y'all supporting the show. Oh boy, what a revolution we're a part of. And am I happy about it? Yes. Am I happy about it? Yes. We're getting after it. Seems as though Bitcoin maybe has topped out for the moment, as we had that red dot printed. VWAP is now below that zero line. She's bearish. Hopefully we see we're gonna pop off or bounce off of the 71.5 or 71,450 mark. That's where we want to bounce off of. Take that leap downwards and bounce back up and try to conquer right here around that 71,950 that we just hit. So let's see if Bitcoin makes it that low or if she's just going to pop off. Now, the RSI is bearish, but is it going to go completely to that oversold, relieve the selling pressure, and move its way back up? We're going to watch that price action, my friends. We're going to watch that price action. I'm so bullish on Bitcoin. I want to see her bounce off that 71,450. Because we're FOMOing at the top. Couldn't stop myself.
The sound check,
Baby, it's a sound check.
I'm gonna check this sweet mic. Why don't you check yours too?
As we are looking at Bitcoin, perhaps bouncing off the 71,450, we're going to take a break from Bitcoin for just a moment and take a gander over here at Ethereum. $2,628 right now. We want to conquer that 2630, 2640 level and bounce to that 2770. 2770 has a lot of selling pressure at that level. Bearish level to watch is 2360. We're up 2.42% this morning. Looking over here, we had a slip and slide type moment yesterday with the momentum here on Ethereum, but we did let me delete these drawings here so y'all can see. We did have a green dot printing on the momentum that hopefully is pushing it in that bullish direction. A green money flow to go along with it and a bullish VWAP. Let's get it. We do have a RSI that's letting us know we have some bullish zest in our hands on this chart right now. Looking good, bullish RSI. We're going to watch to see if it does come near that overbought level that Bitcoin is currently touching just about. Again, back to Ethereum, we have a lot of room to run concerning price action because of this RSI letting us know that beautiful factor. Ideally today, we want to close above this 2360, 2340 level and aim for that 2770. People are saying this is not a great time to open a trade. And you know what, friends? It is risky. When you're at this level where we're seeing some price discovery, I consider this almost price discovery mode. It's very important. Very important that you're careful because it could either really pop off to the bullish side and maybe conquer those new highs, or it's going to have a nice pullback because of this RSI that's letting us know that we're basically overbought. So just be careful. It's a volatile time. If you're going to be trading, have a bullish, a bearish case scenario. Don't invest more than you could afford to lose. All of those things that people tell you to do when it comes to investing. But it always comes down to you, your own accord, your own knowledge, your own research. And no one can tell you what to do with your money as we take a sip of coffee. I love the coffee. Maybe I drank too much today. I got a large coffee. Is that bad? I don't know. Come in some coffees. We need some coffees. Coffee. Give me some coffee emojis. We're going to take a look at Litecoin 2, which has a finite supply of 84 million. And it seems as though almost 2 million of those 84 million is owned by the one and only grayscale. Taking a look at Litecoin battling the 200-day SMA at the moment to critical levels. Right now, we see that she's at $72.57. 200-day SMA is just about 20 cents below that at $72.24. We're looking at that bullish scenario of 75 bucks. A lot of selling pressure at that level. We want to see some movement to the upside. $75, conquer that. An even more bullish scenario there is $85.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I vote for Blue Rocket.
Let's go. Pants.
So pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Thank you, Black Hat. I appreciate you. I appreciate your love. Also, guys, I'm just letting you know that we do have this goal thing. So YouTube popped this up on my YouTube this morning. I opened the stream and they were like, "Hey, here's this goal thing." So I did want to try it out. Again, it's just there. And it has a goal. It has I put an hour on it, so it's 24 minutes left. And if the goal is completed, then you guys get to pick my outfit for tomorrow's show. Because I know that we're all invested in the outfit game here. So if y'all want to take a look at that, go ahead. But again, it's just something that I'm trying out today. Yay! Back to Litecoin, my friends. Bear scenario is 63 bucks, my friends. Bear scenario is 63 bucks, and we can see that we've had support there in the past. We're going to hope to hold that. We have the green dot printing upon the momentum, and the momentum didn't even go bearish, which is awesome. It just curved on upward, so we like that curvature. Also, we have the VWAP that's confidently pushing bullish and crossed that zero line, so really great looking VWAP here. Also, the RSI is bullish as well. Took a little dip below that neutral, slightly bearish, but had a really strong bounce back. So looks beautiful. And it shows that we have quite a lot of room to go before we hit that overbought level. Last time we were overbought with Litecoin was back here in March. Even previous to that was the beginning of March. So just take a look. Just take a look. Ideally, we want to close above this 200-day SMA and close perhaps around that $75 mark. Oh boy. Oh boy. Cause it feels like the bottom. All right. M, can you make sure you're modding TikTok for me? Please, thank you. We also have Dogecoin. People are losing their noodles over Dogecoin because apparently Dogecoin bets spiked to about $1.3 billion because of Donnie T, Elon Musk, co-founding Doge, Department of Government Efficiency Commission, with the one and only Howard Lutnick, the CEO of Cantor Fitzgerald. These are two very rich, important people that are looking to audit the federal government spending. Don't be surprised when you see Doge take over, when you see the fact that Doge is a decentralized proof-of-work blockchain that is actually feasible for value, for spending money. And you guys know I was doing that video way back when of me spending Dogecoin at Williamsburg Pizza over there in New York, 5 locations. You spend some Dogecoin, I believe you get 20% off. What was it? 15 or 20% off your order. So make sure you guys head over to Williamsburg Pizza and spend your Dogecoin. Dogecoin making some beautiful, beautiful price action here. Futures interest on Doge is swiftly rising and nearing a record level from April, thanks to renewed trading interest in the token on the possibility of its abbreviation becoming part of Donnie T's admin. Taking a look at Dogecoin. Almost 17 cents right now. It did about hit that 17 cents, I believe. And so we're looking at the bullish scenario where we saw selling pressure in the past of 17.5 cents. Where is my heart really warm and fluffy on the whole situation? 19.5 cents or 20 cents is where my heart is very warm and fluffy. So we want to touch or tap that 17.5 cents and see what happens, as we did close above the 200-day SMA for many days in a row now. Your bearish scenario is falling below that 200-day SMA and looking at 12.25 cents. We are up 4.67% today. Green dot printing on that momentum, looking great. Money flow is awesome. VWAP is pumping right now. And we have the RSI that's letting us know that we are overbought. So this is when, again, you have to stay conscious. You have to be cautious. And when you have overbought, there's a chance of an incoming downtrend coming your way. Would it make sense for Doge to maybe retrace just a little bit? Yeah, man. I mean, sheesh, anything would make sense. But when you see Bitcoin taking off like this and possibly hitting new highs, along with Dogecoin becoming a big part of the United States and possibly the next administration, you're gonna see some surprising moves from Doge. So make sure you watch out for that. Of course, have a bullish, a bearish case scenario. Do whatever you want with your money. No one can tell you what to do with your money. I'm so excited. I am so excited. And watch, Williamsburg Pizza will become one of the most famous pizzerias in the world. One of the most famous pizzerias in the world. Make sure you guys are looking at these clips from yesterday, not from yesterday, from a few days ago, from the Donnie T rally over there in New York, Madison Square Garden. This was insane.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have the honor to introduce the co-founder with me of the Department of Government Efficiency, Doge, Madison Square Garden. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the greatest capitalist in the history of the United States of America, Elon Musk.
And then they also commented upon what they feel would happen with the Department of Government Efficiency, aka Doge. Quick look here.
As you can see, I'm not just MAGA, I'm dark, gothic MAGA. Well, the energy in this room is incredible. What a great group of people.
All right, I've only got one question for you, and then I'm getting out of here because this
right.
is your stage. But we set up Doge.
Yes.
How much do you think we can rip out of this wasted $6.5 trillion Harris-Biden budget?
Well, I think we can do at least $2 trillion.
Yeah!
Yes.
$2 trillion.
I mean, at the end of the day, you're being taxed. You're being taxed. All government spending is taxation. So whether it's direct taxation or all government spending, it either becomes inflation or it's direct taxation. Your money is being wasted, and the Department of Government Efficiency is going to fix that.
So there you go.
We're going to get the government off your back and out of your pocketbook.
Department of Government Efficiency Commission, and that's something we could be bullish on. So make sure you guys, again, are smashing the like, subscribing to the channel, sharing the stream out with friends, because this is critical information people need to know. We also have Ban Gain. Hi, Ban Gain. Welcome to the show. Hi, John. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. This is insane. Department of Government Efficiency Commission pushing Doge to a new stratosphere, where we are going to see a lot of change within our government if Doge comes to light, especially as the Doge, actual Doge, will be the logo for this commission. If you guys are bullish on Doge, and I need to see membershippery in chat where y'all can put that Dogecoin emoji in the chat. We need to see the Dogecoin emoji. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Oh, thank you, Cyber. Thank you for the pumpkins. Thank you, Donnie, for the rose. We do have some bullish news for Gemini, though, that I would like to share. Gemini received a preliminary approval over there in Singapore. They received a preliminary approval from Singapore's central bank to offer some of its services in the country. Today, the MAS Monetary Authority of Singapore granted in-principle approval to Gemini for a major payment institution license, MPI, allowing the organization to provide digital payment tokens and cross-border money transfer services. In an announcement, Gemini said that getting the in-principle approval is a milestone for the firm, as Singapore has been the heart of its operations in the Asian Pacific region. The exchange said it would continue to work toward getting the final approval for the MPI license. Saad Ahmed, the head of Gemini's Asia Pacific arm, said in a report that the exchange is now closer to offering localized services that cater to the needs of their users in Singapore. He said, quote, while the United States remains our largest market and global HQ, Asia and Singapore in particular play a crucial role in our global strategy. Do note, my friends, that they do have a whole Singapore team, a whole Asian side of things over there for Gemini. And when Token 2049 was going on, you saw the Singapore team take over the Gemini socials and start posting for them. They're very cool people. They all work together. And this is, again, why we need to make sure that the United States stays ahead so that places and people like Gemini stay in the United States and are able to expand internationally. We're going to see a lot of crypto exchanges go that international route because of the regulatory scrutiny and a lack of clarity that we have in the United States. So please watch out for that. And also shout out to Gemini for expanding. Right, Cletus? Make sure you smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share it out with friends as we have so much going on here. We have 18 more likes until we hit that 100. I know we can do it. Pimp it up. Oh, shoot. All right, continuing on, because we're going to stick on the exchange train, as the Coinbase's CEO, Brian Armstrong, wants the next SEC chair to apologize for the damage done. And so I think Gary Gensler should be the one to apologize. Don't you agree?
Hucksters, fraudsters, scam artists, Ponzi schemes.
Should we fire Gary Gensler? Put a 1 or a yes emoji, 2 or no emoji, or better yet, put that Gary Gensler flame emoji. We need some Gary Gensler emojis. Let's go. So, Coinbase CEO said the next chair of the SEC should apologize to Americans for the damage the agency has done to the space. He published a compilation of conflicting statements made by the SEC throughout the years. These issues include the SEC's inconsistent stances on whether digital assets like Bitcoin are securities, as well as whether the agency can regulate crypto exchanges and whether existing laws are clear. What I love is this chart. Issue: is a digital asset a security? 2018, they said, nah, a digital asset all by itself is not a security. In 2021, they said, yeah, it is. A digital asset embodies and represents the investment contract. And then they said, no, 3 years later in 2024, saying a digital asset is just computer code. Then 5 days later, said it is a security and that the digital asset itself represents the investment contract. So again, they said the same in 2021 and in 2024. But then they went back and forth 3 times in 2024 saying no, yes, no again, saying 8 months after this statement, the digital asset itself is not the security. And this is when Gary Gensler said, hey, man, maybe we messed up. We apologize for that, you know. We didn't really mean that the digital asset was a security. It's just, it's not. It's not the security. It's the underlying this. It's the underlying. Come on, bro. This is horrible. It's a bad example of the United States. It's a bad representation of what we stand for, that it's so inconsistent. Why can't they just stick to one opinion, write it down, and make sure it remains that way? Why are we going back and forth? Because they want to mess with the market. This is what I would call market manipulation. In the issue regarding, is Bitcoin a security? In 2023, they said no. The SEC has never claimed Bitcoin as a security. And then they said maybe in 2024, saying there's not an answer. And then 4 days after that, they said no again, saying that's not a security. Even Gary Gensler to this day still struggles to say the words Bitcoin is not a security because he doesn't want to give anybody in this industry any finite answer. Why is that? It may not be within his chalk lines. What does that mean, Gary? What does it mean that you can't talk outside of your chalk lines? And that was when he was asked about if a Bitcoin sovereign wealth fund that Donnie T proposed could help the United States. He wouldn't answer the question. What are the laws of the land? We will never know because Gary Gensler will not tell us. Can the SEC regulate digital asset exchanges? Sorry. Oopsie. In 2021, they said, nah, right now, there's not a market regulator for crypto exchanges. Then in 2022, they said, yes, that Congress gave us a broad framework to regulate exchanges. With the issue regarding the question, is existing law clear? In 2020, they said no, there's no certainty about whether digital assets are securities. And then in 2023, they said yes, we have a clear regulatory framework built up over 90 years. Is that regulatory framework relevant now from 90 years ago when it was created? Really more towards that 100-year mark? You're telling me something upwards toward a century years old is relevant when there was no conception of digital anything 90 plus years ago? Come on. That's embarrassing. And to not give investors and the public that you're supposed to protect a clear answer on what goes on in this market, that is manipulating people and taking advantage of them, where people that do try to comply don't have a way to comply because there are no laws. And when people do go and try to talk to the regulators, to the SEC, what happens? They get a Wells notice sent to them because, oh no, you guys are doing something wrong, even though there's no way for you to do anything right or wrong because there are no laws to do right or wrong. This is ridiculous. It's blasphemy that we cannot have a solid answer from the SEC about what goes on in this country, what goes on regarding digital assets. And this is why exchanges want to leave the United States. This is why people themselves are leaving the United States to go to places like Singapore, other Asian countries, even El Salvador, where they're encouraging people. Oh, you're building with technology. You're trying to innovate. You want to use blockchain. Hey, head on over to El Salvador, because it's not like we're not buying a Bitcoin a day. We're not having Bitcoin-backed bonds that outperform many of the things that go on in the United States. We're just mining Bitcoin over here. There's even small countries, very, very small countries, that are mining millions of dollars of Bitcoin. And what do we have to say for the United States? What are we doing over here besides embarrassing ourselves? We're supposed to be the leaders of innovation. We're supposed to be the leaders in revolutions time and time again. The United States is proving that they're not the same as they were back then, that we're losing our fundamentals. If you look at the fundamentals of the United States of life, liberty, property, pursuit of happiness, which is your inalienable human rights as well, that applies to everybody, not just the United States of America and the people living here. What are we doing? Where has this been going? Is this really the United States of America anymore? Or are we just run by people that are old? People that lie like Liz Warren. And darn it, man, if you guys are in Massachusetts and you don't like Liz Warren, then we do have somebody that you could support, aka John Deaton. And everybody has their right to vote. Everybody has their right to pick who they believe is going to serve their state and their country the right way. And if you believe in humanity, if you believe in people that will actually do something good for our industry instead of going on TV and lying, then you got to look at John Deaton. You got to look at the people who are real. Liz Warren does not care about you. Gary Gensler does not care about you. Janet Yellen does not care about you. This is a major issue that we will that we will find out about next week. Next week, the marathon will determine the future of our country. The future of the United States of America is on the cusp of greatness. And we just need to embrace that greatness. We need to be able to eliminate people and things that are unnecessary, which is why Doge, Department of Government Efficiency Commission. We need to be able to audit the federal government. Where is government spending going? Do you know why they didn't like RFK? Because RFK proposed the idea of putting government spending on blockchain. So we know what goes on. Right now, we don't know anything that goes on. We don't know where the money goes. When they write billion-dollar checks and give them to other countries, what are those other countries spending the money on? Are we ever going to find out? No. And who pays the price every time they hit the money printer? It is us. It is every single citizen in the United States of America that pays the price. And did we consent to that? Did we vote for that? Did we ask them to hit that money printer? No. Should that be something that is consented by the United States of America and the citizens that live in there? Yes. We have to stand up for our rights. We have to stand up for our value, because right now, fiat currency, as we know it, is designed to fail. And the dollar is on the brink of disaster. Disaster. 40 to 50% of our money supply got printed between 2020 and 2021. Is that okay? Absolutely not. Is it okay that we go to the store and eggs are about $12 a dozen? You're paying about $1 a darn egg? No, that's not okay. Fiat does not respect your time. It does not respect your value. But what does? Bitcoin. An asset with a finite supply of 21 million Bitcoin that will ever exist. And you know that there won't be more than 21 million. And you know there's actually going to be less than that, because there were people that lost Bitcoin and will continue to lose more Bitcoin. But that only makes the value that much more worth, because you know that simple supply and demand. Look at the fact that there's about 21 million millionaires in the United States. And how many of them will own one Bitcoin? Not a large amount. Very small amount will own one Bitcoin. If the amount of millionaires in the United States is equated to the amount of Bitcoin that will ever be put in circulation, because there's only around 19.8 million Bitcoin in circulation right now, there's going to be a big supply shock. And you could look at the fact that there's only around 2 million Bitcoin tied to centralized exchanges right now. What happens when Bitcoin hits that 100K mark and there's a major amount of FOMO in the market? Watch out, because there will not be a lot of Bitcoin. There will be no Bitcoin left on exchanges. Then what's next? Is it really going to be Ethereum, where gas fees are going to be too high and it struggles to scale, and even Vitalik knows that? Or will it be something like Litecoin that has that finite supply of 84 million, that has faster block times, cheap transaction fees, where whether you're spending $1, $5, $1 million, it's a penny or less? We're going to look at things like Litecoin. And Grayscale knows something that we do not. Considering that there's, again, that finite supply of 84 million Litecoin. How much does Grayscale own? Around 1.9 million Litecoin. That's a large amount of the existing supply. Be careful, my friends. There's going to be a major supply shock with Bitcoin and Ethereum. There's a 6 to 8 year low on the amount of supply of Ethereum that exchanges have at the moment. Be careful, be wise, and look at the scalability, and look at the supply that the exchanges have. It tells you everything. It tells you everything. Bitcoin is sitting at $71,738 right now. You don't think that the FOMO is going to kick in? You don't think the mainstream media is going to start talking about Bitcoin soon? More than it's talked about now? we're at a critical level with Bitcoin. If we close above the 71.5 mark, and even better yet, we tap 72K, or even better yet, we crush those all-time highs of around 73.8. Watch out, kids. Watch out. Things are about to get real. And you better be prepared for when they get real. And I'm not telling you to buy Bitcoin. I'm not telling you to sell Bitcoin. I'm telling you to do your own research and understand the revolution that Bitcoin represents, which is freedom. Freedom of speech. Code is free speech. What is money? Just value and information that you could send peer-to-peer, 24/7, 365, cross-border with no censorship and no intermediaries. Bitcoin is peak humanity. It is what people always wanted money to be. And it will not change because it's immutable. It's on an open ledger. Anybody could see what happens with Bitcoin, and that is why we love it so much. Because where we have an existing system in TradFi that hides everything, manipulates you, steals from you, and corrupts our country, we will not stand for it anymore. I will not stand for it anymore, which is why I'm part of Bitcoin. I'm in crypto, and I'm part of a revolution that matters. And there's nowhere else I'd rather be.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Hugs.
Thank you, Joe, for trying to calm me down. Huggies to you, Joe Harvey. Thank you. Thank you very much. Trust me, Wall Street's going to get in this. People are going to get in this revolution. And we can't tell them no because this is a decentralized, permissionless space. There's no one that could tell them yes or no. We just got to deal with it. But we will be able to take self-custody. And if we have the right people in office, they will defend our right to self-custody, our right to mine, our right to transact with the Bitcoin and any currency we choose to, because darn it, this is America, and we should have the right to choose, instead of giving us this illusion of freedom. It's all an illusion until we make it real. And Bitcoin is real. Bitcoin is something you own. It's tangible. It's way more tangible than your magical bank app telling you, oh, you have money in the bank. Do you really have that money in the bank? Is that money really in the bank? If you go show up to your local bank and try to take out 10 to 20K in cash, will they let you have it? No. Why? Because they won't want you to spend it where they can't see it. And you know what? The funny thing is, they most likely do not have it. Oh, proof of reserves on crypto exchanges. Where is the proof of reserves on the banks? Where banks are failing left and right, and the mainstream media will not tell you about it. New York Community Bank, NYCB, is getting crushed right now. Go look at the stock. Is the mainstream covering that? No. Did they tell you about the Bank of Lindsay that failed? No. Will they tell you about the other banks that are getting acquired by other banks? No. Because everyone knows what happened when SVB failed. And it was a domino effect of banks that kept failing and failing and failing. They know that people back in 2023 were taking money out like it was eggs and toilet paper during COVID. And people were like, oh my gosh, there's a lot. I got to go and fight over toilet paper at the freaking Walgreens. That's exactly what's going on. People are taking their money out, millions and billions of dollars every single day globally. Even Gary Gensler was posed that question by Tom Emmer, and Tom Emmer asked him, is the reason why you're trying to take out crypto banking is because your boys at the banks are upset that people are withdrawing millions every day and buying Bitcoin and opting out of this tyrannical, dirty system and opting into one that is fair, that is real, where you own something and your value is maintained. And Gary Gensler shook in his boots. Fire Gary Gensler, fire Liz Warren, fire Janet Yellen. Get all of these corrupt, nasty individuals out of here because they should not have a job if that's how they're operating. Liz Warren had Jamie Dimon right in front of her. And instead of asking him about the dirty, corrupt people that he supports and that he allowed people to get hurt and abused, you know what she asked him about? Bitcoin. And how he said if he was the government, he would shut it off. Get out of here, Jamie. Get out of here, Jamie, especially when you, behind closed doors, have been giving Bitcoin and ETH exposure to your clients for years now. Why don't we ask him about JPM Coin and his deposit tokens? Oh, yeah, there's no word about that because that's just how it goes with the bankers and how it goes with politicians like Liz Warren that allow them to stay corrupt because they get funded by the banks. The American Bankers Association backed Liz Warren, lobbies with her for anti-crypto laws to ban self-custody. They can't ban self-custody. It's delusion that they have. It's decentralized technology. And if they want to remove wallets from the App Store, then you know what, honey? It's called code. And anybody can create their own wallet. We don't need that. Of course, we love our apps. But you know we can do this on our own as well. They can't stop us, and they don't like that they can't stop us. Anyone, anywhere in the world can open a Bitcoin wallet, can send and receive Bitcoin. They don't like that because they're not in control out of that system. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share it out with friends as Bitcoin is battling these key levels. And shout out to the Piper Academy, Army Piper, OC Tradefly, Frat Mama's here for you. She's ranting today. She's spicy, but I'm here. They want to control you. They want to own you. They want you to own nothing and be happy. That's not what's going to happen. It's not what's going to happen. And if you guys have chart requests, then hand them over. And I got you. Oh my gosh, Bitcoin's pumping right now. Ooh! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Hold on, we're going back to the minute chart, friends. We're going back to the minute chart. We're going back to the minute chart. 71.8! 71.8! Oh boy. Oh boy. Guys, are we about to see $72,000 on stream? Oh boy. $71,872. Bitcoin, pump it up now.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Guys, things are getting heated. Are we going to see $72,000 Bitcoin on stream right now? Put a rocket emoji if you believe so. Give me that rocket emoji now. Pump it up.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Oh my gosh. Bitcoin. $71,871. Let's go, Bitcoin. Go, 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 go. Guys, this is when we're going to see exchanges start to glitch. We're going to see Coinbase shut off. We're going to see them shut off. You're going to go to try to trade on Coinbase, and they're going to say, which is why you have to place limit orders. If you are trading, you put limit orders. Watch out, my friends. We are at a critical level for Bitcoin, and we might hit $72,000 on stream. Period. Get ready. Get ready. 2 for 1 says, God candle inbound. I'm ready for the God candle, my friends. I'm ready for the God candle. Pump it up right now. We are seeing critical levels with Bitcoin. We have Andy S. We have Rob C. We have Narza Naren. Michael Cartwright in the chat. M2 chillin'. Auto cough, cough. Nice to see you. Julio. Nice to see you. He said, Randi for Congress. They can't handle the zest. John Deaton approves this message. Oh, darn, I would love to meet Sir Deaton. What a wonderful person he is. Right, Stu. Right, Stu. Verhoofdy. Faloof. Nice to see ya. Get ready, my friends. Randy Greer says, should have your trades placed. Make sure you watch out, my friends. Things are going to get quite spicy. Things are going to get quite spicy for Bitcoin. Quite spicy. And again, this is why you have to have your orders, please. Limit orders. If you have that, you should be okay. Even if the exchange shuts off or you can't go on, it's glitching because the servers are too crazy. Guys, we have 110 out of 125 likes. Pump it up.
Pump it up. You got to pump
Subscriber count. Let's go. All right. Guys, we are 2 subscribers away from our goal. I see you out there. You're not subscribed yet. Listen to Piano Matty B.
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
Bill Miner says green dot. Yeah, we do have a green dot here. However, look at the RSI, my friends. Chopping it up on the minute. We were overbought before And now we're chilling. Now we're chilling. We bounced off that neutral. We're still going bullish. Uh-oh. Ooh. Ooh. 71,850 bucks. Let's go. Guys, this is getting very interesting. This is getting very interesting. We need to keep closing above right here. We need to close above the 71,950. This is the level to watch. This is the level to watch right now. Oh boy, oh boy. Pump it up, my friends. If we break 72.8, a lot of shorts will be liquidated. Yes, we're going to see a lot of zest. Oh, ooh, 71,860. Wow, this is insane. This is insane. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh my gosh, we're going to see some crazy stuff happening right now. Bitnuendo's pumping it up. I know. Let's go, Bitcoin. You can do it, Bitcoin. Let's go. I know I went off today, my friends, but I will not stop. I will keep losing my noodle until I just can't stop losing it. Till it's completely gone. It's going to be completely gone soon. What am I going to do at that point, Bangain? What am I going to do if I completely lose my noodles, right, Brothers T? What am I going to do? I don't know if I could. I don't know. I just don't know if I can come back after that. I don't know if I completely lose my noodle, if it's going to come back. Oh, Adrian. Thank you, Adrian. Wow, I'm so grateful for every single one of y'all that are here, that are tuning in, that are watching history happen. There's nobody that can take this moment away from us. Nobody that can say, what do you mean this isn't cool? This is the best moment in history right now. And we're celebrating it all together. These good vibrations spreading throughout the world because of this stream, because of Bitcoin. This is what we're here for. This is what it's all about, is love and the prosperity of every single human being. This isn't about America. This isn't about the marathon. This isn't about Donnie T or Kamama. This is about the people. We, the people, are so, so strong. And there's nobody that can stop us. Skatecrow77. Oh, hello, my friend. You subscribe to the channel. Oh, and Stathis, too. Oh, boy, guys, we're one subscriber away. One subscriber away. Pump it up. Let's go. Let's go. It's we the people. It's we the people. And that's what this country was founded on, was we the people. I believe in us the people. I believe in goodness. And I believe that we will prosper as a human race. And that's it. Nothing can stop us. Nothing can stop us as Bitcoin is trying to hit 71.9 at the moment. Let's go, Bitcoin. You can do it, Bitcoin. We have a green dot just printing on this momentum. Money flow is picking up. The VWAP is picking up as well. Let's go, Bitcoin. 71.9. We can do it. We can do it. I'm so into this right now. Oh, my gosh. It's like my whole body is shook. I just feel like my mind is exploding right now. Oh, my gosh. I can't believe what's going on right now. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Guys, and also, all right, this is good. This is good. All right, guys, we have some news that I'm going to announce on social media. I have some news that we're going to report on social media in maybe a few hours. Oh gosh. And you know what? Oh, I don't even know if I should say it right now. I don't even know if I should say it. My mind, oh my gosh, my mind's going to explode. $71,911. Pump it up, Bitcoin. Let's go. Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Wow, guys. Wow. Guys, there's going to be big things happening today. I'm not sure what time. I'm not sure what time. I think I know what time. I have to confirm that. But your girl might be making an appearance on something today. And so I'm going to get a final time so I can let y'all know. But holy darn, the message just came through. Immediate. Ooh. Ooh. $71,922. Let's go, Bitcoin. Let's hit that 72K. Wow. Oh, gosh. See, this is why we put out the good vibrations. Let's put out the good vibrations. The faraway times. Hello, my friend. Welcome to the stream, and thank you for subscribing. We have passed our subscriber goal. Let's get it, my friends. What am I going to do today? Where am I going to possibly make an appearance today? Let's see. Let's see. Uh-oh, spaghetti. I love when I get text messages while I'm live. I love when I get text messages. Oh, boy. Oh, Hawk. Shout out to Hawk. I actually got to text him. I'm actually going to text Hawk. Oh, boy. Oh, boy, guys. Oh, I can't wait to post it. So you guys need to make sure you are smashing the likes, share the stream out with friends, and watch out for my ex. Because I'm going to post an announcement in a little while. And I'm going to find out exactly what time. And y'all will know. Y'all will know. And I'm supposed to, oh, my dad's dropping the bombs in the chat. My dad's dropping the bombs in the chat. Oh, boy, oh, boy. Yeah, guys, I think I might be on the main streams today. But it's gonna be a little plot twist for y'all. It's going to be a little plot twist for y'all. Wow, okay. So, we're going to get after it. Please make sure you have my notifications on for my ex. Please make sure you have my notifications on. Guys, we have $71,920. Oh my gosh. I can't wait. Auto. Cough, cough. We're going to have a mainstream news appearance today, my friends. And I can't wait. We're going to have a mainstream news appearance today as Bitcoin is looking to conquer $72,000. I don't know if I should, do I stay on and we wait this out? Do we try to wait this out? Holy poop. Do I try to wait this out? Hold on, hold on. All right, guys. Just known as the bullseye for the dress. You've been in and out. Well, thank you. I appreciate it. Listen, the dress though, it does not have pockets. Here's the one thing though. It doesn't have pockets, but it has layers. You see? It has kind of like floofy layers. And it has like a little tie in the back. I know y'all can't see it too well because it's black and it blends in. But we do have a little tie in the back. And this is what I'm going to wear on the mainstream news. So I can't wait. I'm so excited. 71,925. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. 71,950. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Bitcoin's making the moves. Bitcoin's making the moves this morning. Oh, darn. Oh, darn. It hit 71,950, I saw. But she needs to do that again and hit the 72K. I see there's a lot of selling pressure there at 71,950. We're not messing around. We're not messing around. Do we wait until the hour closes? Do we wait 4 more minutes? I think we're going to wait. I think we're going to wait. Oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy. Do, 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 do. This is insane. This is insane. I'm very spicy today. Oh, wow. We just dumped like $100. What's going on, Bitcoin? Man up. Let's get it. Oh, I'm so excited. Wow. What's the possibility of you making spaghetti while talking crypto? I'll donate to your channel if that happens. You know, I was actually thinking about doing like a Sunday sauce stream, but the problem is that like you make the sauce, you fry up the meatballs, you get like, you know, all the other fixings. And then you got, it's like a whole thing. It's like a whole thing. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Do, 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 do. Okay. I think I should do that though. I used to do cookie streams. I should do cookie streams again. I've just been so busy. Wow. Wow. I don't know. How are we going to close the hour? How are we going to close the hour? Okay. Wow, this is insane, guys. We're doing so much today. We're getting after it. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Do do do. Oh my gosh, we are getting after it today. I'm so bad at multitasking. My bad. We were waiting for the hour to close. We got 2 more minutes. Do 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 do. We're getting after it, guys. We are pumping it up today. I'm so excited. This is wild. We didn't hit 72K yet. We didn't hit 72K yet. We're watching that right now. We had a red dot printing on the momentum. We have the money flow. Ooh, 71.9 again. Come on, Bitcoin. And then we have the VWAP about to cross that 0 line. Hopefully go bullish again. But we need that green dot printing on market Cipher too. This is a critical level, my friends. No one knows what's going to happen next. We had that surge of green volume, and then we had the bears try to take us out. I just think that there's a lot of selling pressure here, my friends. A lot of selling pressure. But 72K is quite important. Wow. Oh, thank you, Ed. Thank you, Ed, for the Cash App. I appreciate that. Wow, super chat on Cash App. Y'all are so freaking beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Wow, y'all are just so beautiful. I appreciate you. Blue dress tomorrow, just saying. I don't know, dude. I guess we had a goal for y'all to pick out my outfit. Do I have a blue? I do have a blue dress. I have 2 of them. Maybe, does that count as blue? Does that third one count as blue? I don't know. I think, does the denim count? I guess denim counts too. Ooh. Okay. You know, I could consider that. I actually could consider that. 2 for 1 said, who would want to sell right now? Listen, man, everyone does what they need to do on their own accord. What they need to do on their own accord. It is 11 a.m. It is 11 a.m. We did close the hour, my friends. We did close the hour. Take a gander, my friends. Take that gander. Right here. Right here. So, we were slightly in the green. Slightly in the green. Oh boy. Oh boy. This might be the hour of retrace. But we did hit that beautiful 71,950. 71,950 right there. So we're going to see what happens with Bitcoin, but I am confident. I do want to hit that 72K today. It would be very bullish. It would be very bullish. Do I drop the bomb? I don't know. Do I do it? Oh my gosh. My dad's saying what's happening today. Like, do I tell him? Do I say something? Is this bad? Is it good? I don't know. Let me see. Let me see. Do 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 do. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I don't know, friends. You know, I would like to ask y'all to smash the like. Share this out with friends. Pump it up. Maybe I'll save it for Twitter. Or do I say it on stream? Do you guys want to know which mainstream news outlet I'll be featured on today? Put a 1 or a yes emoji. 2 or no emoji. Oh my gosh, Ed again. Another Cash App. $10 of Bitcoin. Well, thank you so much, Ed. Appreciate you. Oh, Ed. Y'all are so sweet. Crypto Face. Face, Papa Face. Do you know I'll be on mainstream news today, Face? Guys, do you guys want to know which mainstream news media outlet I will be on today? Put a 1 or a yes emoji, 2 or no emoji. Do I save it for the X.com? Or do I just tell y'all right now? But if when I post later, y'all still have to smash that like and retweet so other people know. What mainstream news outlet will I be on today? Put a 1 or a yes emoji, 2 or no emoji if you want to know. I need to see an abundance of zest in the chat. Let me know. Let me know. Where am I gonna be? I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This is revolutionary. This is revolutionary. Oh no, my God. Do do do. Do 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 do. This is insane. Okay. All right. So, I guess I'm just gonna say it. I think I'm just gonna say it. I think I'm gonna tell you guys. I think I'm gonna tell you guys. Face never that. Post on X, then tell chat. Ooh. See, that's spicy. I need time to formulate that. I can't do that on stream. I can't multitask to that degree. But my friends, I'll do a drum roll. You know what, Double O? That's right. I should drum roll. Don't say it. Well, I want to say it. Okay, I'm going to say it. Guys, I will be on Newsmax today. The show I'll be on is called The American Agenda. And so y'all will have to watch out for that. It starts at 2. I believe my hit time will be around 3:45 p.m. Eastern. So it starts at 2 p.m. Eastern. So anywhere from 2 to 4 p.m. Eastern. Make sure y'all are on Newsmax. Record it for me. Send it over. Please make sure we are on Newsmax. Every single person in this chat. Head over to Newsmax, The American Agenda with Katrina and Bob. So we are hitting a new news network today. And I'm so excited. Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Newsmax is its own news channel. It is one of the highest ranked news channels, and I am so excited. I'm so excited. So, guys, we are on a new mainstream news channel today. We are meeting a new audience, so I do ask y'all to head over to Newsmax. I believe my hit's at 3:45, but don't take my word for it just yet. I'm going to find out. And the show starts at 2. It goes from 2 to 4. And so I'm very happy. I'm very grateful for the opportunity. And hashtag blessed. So shout out to Newsmax. Thank y'all for the opportunity. And please make sure, again, you like, subscribe, you share this out with friends so more people can hear it. And I'm going to post it on X. And if you guys see that post on X, make sure you guys smash the like on that and share it out with friends so more people know that we're headed over to Newsmax. So I'm so excited. I can't wait. It's going to be amazing. Is it on YouTube? It might be on YouTube TV. I'm not sure. Y'all are going to have to check your cable listings and everything like that. But yes, I'm very excited. Dracarys. Oh my gosh, I love Game of Thrones. But yeah, shout out to Newsmax. Shout out to Newsmax. So I'm going to get after it. And of course, I will take platforms when they're given to me so we could spread the word that we talk about on the show, which is Bitcoin, our basic and inalienable human rights of life, liberty, and property. No matter where I go, my message never changes. And so that's what y'all have to remember. So please make sure you guys tune in to Newsmax from 2 to 4 p.m. And I believe at 3:45 p.m. Eastern is when I'll be on. So that was the announcement, guys. And we have 8 more likes for 150, so we're going to get after it. And thank you guys all for the support and the love. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much. Oh, gosh, no. Andy S., why did they time you out for that? The bot is so annoying sometimes. But thank you guys so much for the love. I'm so excited. And we're going to watch out for Bitcoin today. We're going to hope it hits 72K. I have to go prep, and I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. So, guys, make sure you guys are there on Newsmax today. And if you guys are excited, please smash the like, subscribe, share it out with friends. And I'll plug up my own copy as well. Yes, I'm gonna keep post. I'll post my hit afterwards. And I'll work on getting a nice clean copy of that as well. But thank you guys so much. Tune into Newsmax. Oh my gosh, hold on. Ed he sent me some MicroStrategy stock as well for the Newsmax appearance. Well, thank you so much, Ed. I appreciate that. Oh, Nicholas in the chat, Mr. Flopping Groper, says, yay. Well, thank you. I appreciate it, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Yeah, guys, please make sure you guys look up Newsmax. You guys are there from 2 to 4 p.m. Like I said, around 3:45 p.m. Eastern is when I'm going to be on. And I'm so excited. I'm so grateful for the opportunity. And we're going to hit all the mainstream medias and make sure we can spread that word about Bitcoin and crypto. So thank you guys so much for joining me. Check out Newsmax today. And we're going to get after it. Hit time is... Okay. 3:40 p.m. guys, 3:40 p.m. Eastern, and so we're gonna confirm that. But like I said, 3:40 or 3:45 p.m. Eastern, and I'm gonna make sure that I post it on X. So I'm gonna get a finite answer in the next hour or two, and I'm gonna get that information out. But around 3:40 p.m. Eastern, check me out on Newsmax. We're gonna get after it today. So thank you guys so much. Smash the like, subscribe, share it out with friends. I'm going to see you guys on the mainstream media later. Have a beautiful day. Happy Pamp Day. And as always, stay zesty. Please. Pimp. I can't even speak. I'm so excited. Smash the like, subscribe, share it out with friends. And as always, stay zesty. Peace.